In this video, I'm going to show you a quick 10-minute exercise cardio that you can do without leaving home. Roll intro. Welcome back. Great to see you all. Welcome back to the returning viewers, and I just want to take this moment out to welcome the new viewers. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. This will keep me motivated to make these videos to motivate you guys. Okay, straight into it. You want to check that you are wearing comfortable clothing and shoes so you are comfortable while you're going to be working up a sweat. So first you want to start off by jogging on the spot or running on the spot just to get warmed up and loosen up a bit. Now you can do this exercise anywhere, you just need a little bit of space. You can do this in your lounge watching TV. You can do this in your kitchen if there's space. You can do this in your bedroom or even your bathroom and toilet. But for now we're just going to keep it outside because it's a nice sunny day and we are going to get into it. The first exercise are going to be simple high knees. Now depending on your fitness level is how high your knees are going to go and the intensity you want to do this at. Second exercise are just going to be jumping lunges. Now the same thing, if you're unable to jump and do the lunges because you're starting out, you can simply do a reverse step lunge like so. If you are finding this a little bit too easy, you do need to increase the duration of your intervals. Trust me, you will break up a sweat even if you're an advanced trainer. Third exercise is body weighted squats. You don't want to rush the squats, you want to keep your form by going down and up. I'm putting my arms in front to help me balance myself as I'm going up and down. Moving on to the fourth exercise, with reverse side lunges. Now same thing, you want to keep your hands on your hip to help you balance. You don't want to rush these because the last thing you want is a sprained ankle. I do recommend minimum 15-second intervals if you are just starting out, but then again it's completely up to you. Fifth and final exercise is star jumps, and if you are starting out and you are unable to star jump, not a problem. You can always do a jump star, which is you jump and then you make a star. I have been keeping track of the interval times on my smartwatch, but you can do this on any smartphone or device. I usually like to finish off with some sprints, whether it be in your driveway or just on your street, but luckily for me there's an alleyway right next to my house, so I run up and down there. Anything with incline or decline would do. I will leave my recommended interval durations in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. No alleyway or driveway? Not a problem, you have stairs at your house that you can use to run up and down just to get the extra burn. And that concludes your home cardio session. Now let's hear what this guy has to say. Well, that concludes the little cardio session, guys. As you can see, I am clearly breaking up in sweats. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what else you guys would like to see. This cardio really works. Try it. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video.